How's it going? My name is Tim. Welcome back to another tutorial, or I guess lesson in this case, um, where we're going to go over, a few different things. The primary thing in this video is what is commodity trading? Okay, this is a part of a bigger, framework that we're going to call the Your First Spot Challenge, Your First Spot Blueprint, where AI is actually going to help us learn how to trade, test out our trading strategy, and then actually help us launch an automated trading bot. Right now, we are right here, right? We're in Trading 101, right? We're learning the very basics of trading. Um, and then after we complete this module, then we're going to test out our strategy. And then from there, we're going to launch our first bot. And again, the thing that we're investigating today is going to be what is currency trading. Okay. And again, AI is going to define this for us. So we're going to go over the arcade. We're going to literally just type in what is commodity trading and kind of let it define it for us. Okay. Then we could read it and see what AI is actually telling us commodity trading is. And you'll see shortly that we'll be able to prompt against the, output here to more deeply investigate these things. Okay, so commodity trading involves buying and selling or trading in commodities. Commodities are basic goods that are essentially interchangeable with other goods of the same type, regardless of who produced them. They are often used as inputs in the production of other goods and services. Okay, so again, you can kind of think about these things as broad categories. Namely hard commodities and soft commodities. Hard commodities, these are natural resources that must be mined or extracted, such as gold, oil, or natural gas. And then soft commodities, these are agricultural products or livestock, such as corn, wheat, soybeans, or pork. Um, I'm sure you've heard of people trading soybeans or pork, right, or gas. Um, these are commodities, okay? In commodity trading, traders buy commodities or commodity contracts with the hope that they will be able to sell them for a higher price in the future. This is done either through physical delivery, rarely, or more commonly through futures contracts where you agree to buy or sell a particular commodity at a predetermined price at a specific date in the future. Commodity trading can be a way to hedge against inflation or to diversify a portfolio because commodity prices often rise with inflation is accelerating. It can be a way to speculate on the movement of particular commodities based on anticipated changes in supply and demand. Amazing. So again, AI helped us learn what commodity trading is. Now it can also be used to actually prompt against this output, right? So if you have specific questions, right, around what this actually means, right? So it talks about futures, right? Higher price in the future, right? So you could say, tell me more about how futures contracts work in commodities trading. Okay, so again, this is just an example, right? You could ask any question you want on any topic, really in all of trading, and the AI will be able to help you, right? But for specifically this case, anything in this output, if you're confused on what it means or need help with some of these things, you could just prompt against it. And again, it will go into infinite detail, right? So if you want to learn more about margin and leverage, if you want to learn more about settlement, buying and selling, standardization, any of these things, you can go infinitely deep and just ask the AI, right? And again, in this same platform, Arcade, you go ahead and just if you want to launch an automated trading bot using AI, you just say, hey, let's build a trading bot, right? Teach me some math and strategies. Again, we're going to go over that in a future module. As you could see here, right? We're gonna do everything, right? We're gonna launch our first bot together. But for now, again, we're just gonna tackle the question of what is commodities trading, okay? And hopefully we did that, okay? Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And until then, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.